you may discuss with the Chief Secretary. What I have pointed out him, let him discuss with the Chief Secretary. Full stop. Mr. Shailesh Baguli, who joined person, who wishes supposed that the matter be posted tomorrow, so that he may discuss with the issue with the Chief Secretary, put up tomorrow.
But as part heard करने लॉर्डशिप ने लेंथ सुना
Lordship,
as part heard करने से लॉर्डशिप ने at length सुना है
Lordship has given it. I will request. Lordship has given us too much of time and too much
अरे
of
नहीं, हम
importance.
तो अब ऐसे ही बैठे रहते हैं, हम तुम्हारा टाइम काम
It's too much of. I appreciate that. I appreciate that, and I great respect for that. The indulgence Lordship has given it. So if Lordship could give it, keep it as a part heard. That's my request.
Yes, state.
We are always happy to appear before Lordship, my lord.
आप
Keep your
लोगों
right.
को उस समय मॉडिफिकेशन एप्लीकेशन डालनी चाहिए थी।
My lord,
वो आपने उस समय
at
बहुत
that time there is a lapse, my lord. And
बहुत बड़ी गलती करी है, जो आप लोगों ने मॉडिफिकेशन क्लैरिफिकेशन डालना चाहिए।
that should have been filed at that time, my lord.
वो आई नो दैट वो क्लैरिफिकेशन मॉडिफिकेशन आपकी रिजेक्ट ही होनी थी, लेकिन आप क्या अब नहीं मूव कर सकते? मूव कर सकते, पर अब हम उसकी एडवाइस दे नहीं सकते आपको कुछ, तुम्हारे सामने कंटेम्प्ट है। मिस्टर बगोली, व्हाट यू से?
May I request some more time, sir, because tomorrow, today Chief Secretary sir is not feeling well,
What,
so I'll have
what
to
they are
find.
saying, let this matter be kept as part.
It's a part heard. I didn't notice that.
He is not interested. Shailesh Baguli is not interested.
because they are insisting to fill up that bond, my lord.
नहीं नहीं ऐसा नहीं।
देख my lord, क्योंकि डिपार्टमेंट को भेज दिया, वो हमसे हमारे सबसे कह रहे हैं बॉन्ड भरो 11 मंथ का।
मिस्टर
Without that, otherwise they will not pay.
मिस्टर पंत, आप
Very-
कंफ्यूज मत क्या करो।
मतलब मैंने वो
आप पढ़ने से कंफ्यूज मत क्या
मैंने
करो।
फाइल किया है उसको।
नो सॉरी, आप क्या आप पेटिशन में पता नहीं क्या क्या फाइल करते रहते हो।
my
सॉरी,
lord, वो जियो फाइल किया है मैंने।
कुछ नहीं, आप हमको मैटर सुन थोड़ा, हम तो कंप्लायंस की, आप पता नहीं क्या क्या फाइल करते रहते हो। या मिस्टर बगोली, व्हाट यू से? शुड आई कीप दिस मैटर एज पार्ट हेड?
Sir, I don't have any. Sir, I'm sorry, I did not understand, sir. What does that mean, sir?
What they are saying, कि you keep this matter as part head so that in future I should hear this matter.
That is up to the honorable court, sir.
No,
We do
no,
not have any.
sorry. Next.
No, part says that same bench will hear the matter on further dates.
So we do not have any issue, sir. This is as per the court, will comply by the court direction, sir.
I am with Mr. Bhagwati.